Understanding the phrase, dial it up. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, dial it up. It's a fun expression often used in conversational English. Let's dive in. The expression, dial it up, comes from the old days of rotary phones. When someone wanted to call another person, they would dial a number by turning a circular disc. The action of dialing relates to adjusting something, just like turning the dial on a radio to increase volume or change the station. 1. Literal meaning. If you're talking about a device with a dial or knob, like a radio or an oven, dial it up can literally mean to turn the dial to increase something like volume or temperature. 2. Figurative meaning. In everyday language, dial it up is often used figuratively. It means to increase intensity, effort, or emphasis in something. For example, if a basketball coach tells their players to dial it up, they're asking the players to play harder or with more energy. 1. Work. Your boss might say, we need to dial it up to meet this deadline. This means everyone needs to work harder or more efficiently to meet the deadline. 2. Exercise. If you're jogging with a friend and they're feeling energetic, they might say, let's dial it up, suggesting to increase the pace. 3. Discussion. In a heated debate, one person might tell another, you don't need to dial it up. We're just talking. Here, it's a plea for calm and a de-escalation. The key to using dial it up effectively is to understand the context. Here are a few tips. 1. Use it when you want to suggest increasing effort or intensity. 2. Remember it's informal, so it's best suited for casual conversations rather than formal settings. 3. As with any idiom or phrase, listen to how natives use it. The more you hear it, the better you'll understand its nuances. That's our exploration of the phrase, dial it up. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll be able to use this expression confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is full of interesting phrases like this, so always stay curious. Happy learning!